Good evening, all. And yes, Harini has posted about 1 second. Let's see, 12 days ago. Uh, I think this complement angle, that one.
So that I got clarified, sir. Other two questions, sir. I have gone through the notes.
Okay. Okay, let me go through that and just post the questions here. Yes, and many of you are not joining on time. Why? Just a minute, 1 second. Yes, many of you didn't join. Why? Many of you didn't join. Why are you late? Actually, many of you are. Actually, see, if anyone posting a doubt, if anyone posting a doubt, please someone try responding to that so that you also can solve that question so that you will also get a concept, right? So
Yes, sir.
please, many of you are not doing that. Help your friends. If you're not helping them, then whom will you help? Okay. So yes, I got this. Let me share the screen. Yes, I shared the screen. Can you all see the screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think first question we have solved.
Yes,
Second,
sir.
second question we will solve this. And options are given here. Look at this. So let me be the midpoint and what is this? Let me oh
It's M, sir.
अरे
Actually, it's
यार
time.
ये क्या let M be the midpoint, not let
Yes, sir.
let M be the midpoint and I be the upper class limit of the class in a
So
continuous.
it's not I, sir. It's L actually.
ML is talking about L. Okay, no problem. Whatever. M be the midpoint. M be the midpoint and I be the upper class limit of the class in a continuous frequency distribution, and the lower class limit of the class is what? See, basically we have a midpoint. What is the midpoint here?
M, sir.
Midpoint. Solution is asking lower class limit of the class is what? So I don't know, right? Lower class limit I'm taking as x. Lower, that is what in lower class limit, let lower class limit is equal to x. ठीक है? All right.
Yes, sir.
And what he has given here, see L, let us consider whatever, and L be the what? L is L upper class limit he has given. Upper class limit is equal to L. Okay, let us write properly. Many of you are joining. Let's see. upper class limit. Okay, chalo. Let us create some space. What he has given m is the midpoint. Midpoint. Wait. Yes, midpoint is equal to m. Okay. Midpoint is
Yes,
nothing but
sir.
what, beta? Midpoint. Look at this here. If I have something over here and here, midpoint is nothing but what? Exactly half of that, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? So midpoint can be written as what now? X plus L by 2, half of that.
Yes, sir.
So this upper class limit is L here, lower class limit is X here. I'm talking about M, which means midpoint will be X plus L. So I need to find out what here value of X, which is going to be 2M minus
Mm.
L.
Oh,
Which option is there? B
B,
option.
sir.
B option. Option B is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Option B is correct here. 2M minus L. Next question. Look at the problems on ages. Age of age of X exceeds age of Y by 7 years. So age of X is exceeds age of Y by how much? 7 years.
7 years.
The above statement can be expressed as a linear equation as 1 second. వెరీ సింపుల్ కదమ్మా, చాలా సింపుల్ కదా ఇది. ఇప్పుడు ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఎక్సీడ్స్ బై వై అంటే ఎంత? ఎట్లా రాస్తాం? ఎక్సీడ్ అంటే ఎక్కువ, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So already we have seen this type of questions. Above statement can be replaced what? Look at this here. చాలా సింపుల్ గా చేయొచ్చు. నేను రాసి ఒక నిమిషం. Which option is going to be correct as per the question? Given that age of X will be exceeding how much? Y
7.
by 7, which is nothing but what? X minus Y is equal to 7. అంతేనా కదా? Which can be written as what? X minus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. ఇదే కదా రాస్తాం. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఆప్షన్ సి.
Yes, sir.
వెరీ సింపుల్ కదా. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ అనేవాడు వై ఏజ్ కంటే 7 years పెద్ద అని అర్థం దీన్ని. ఎక్స్ ఎక్సీడ్స్ అంటే ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఎక్స్ అనేవాడు వై కంటే 7 years పెద్ద. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ టెల్ ఇన్ సింపుల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. సో దట్స్ హౌ యూ నీడ్ టు
Okay, sir.
clear. So this can be written as what? X
Yes.
minus Y is equal minus 7 is equal to 0. X minus Y minus 7 is equal to 0. Very simple question. Chalo.
Yes,
Hope it is
sir. And yes, sir. Actually, give some questions on statistics, sir, like above question, because I'm facing issue there, sir.
okay. Sure, I will share. I think if I'm not wrong, uh, we have shared. Do you want me to give the questions?
Yes, I'm not able to solve such questions, sir. When I'm not getting the idea how to do it. So,
Sure. Not an issue at all. Look at this. First, we'll have a look at the syllabus. So we have done with the circles. We have written, what you call that? Quizzes, exam. So we had like proper command on that circles lesson. So now we will go with what? Surface area. We had, we started with the surface areas and volumes, isn't it?
yes, sir.
So and I was discussing that surface areas and volumes. Let me show it to you 1 second. Where it was. Just a minute. Give me a minute of time. Yes, got it. See, many of you are joined now. Ananya, why are you late, Ananya?
Sir, I was out, sir, so I just came, so I joined now.
Tayaba, why are you late?
Sir, I went down, sir.
You went down. Don't you know that you have a class now?
I know, sir.
Then how come you go and be like that?
I went at 5 o'clock only, sir.
So you went at 5 o'clock. So you want to go for some time and relax, huh? You know, right? You have class now. After the class, you do whatever you want. Okay. Chalo. Look at this here. What we were. Can you see the screen here? I think you guys are not able to see.
No, sir.
Yes. Hope it is. I cleared your doubt, Harini. We will go for the questions. So now we started with the cube. So I drawn the cube. We have seen we started with the cuboid yesterday, right? In last class we started with the cuboid. If I'm not wrong. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We started with the cuboid. What is the formula? What is the total surface area of the cuboid? 2 times of LH plus VH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. And what is the lateral surface area of that? What is the lateral surface of the cuboid? Everyone is
4s square, sir.
4a square. Ma, I'm asking for cuboid, not cube. It's happened in the last class. Tell me, Chepalandaru. What is the total surface area? I mean, total surface area is what? 2 times of LH plus LH 2 times of BH HL. What is the lateral surface area of cuboid?
Sir, 2 HL plus 2 HP.
Huh?
Sir, 2 LH or plus 2 BH.
Yes, 2 times
So
of
2
LH plus
into
BH.
H, L plus B.
So 2h
2H
into L
L
plus
B.
B.
2H into L plus
2h
B.
into L plus B.
Exactly. But many of you are not responding on time. Why? You are looking, you are revising the notes now and just telling me what?
Sir, I'm responding.
Good. What about others?
Sir, your voice is very low for me.
What about others? Is it low?
Sir, it's not low, sir. It's sufficient.
Sir, it's fine now.
Okay. What about others? Everyone, if any, is there any?
No, sir. There's no problem.
Okay, okay. What was the formula? 2H into 2H into what?
L plus B. L plus B, sir.
Yes. So, and what about surface area of the cuboid? మనం నిన్న చెప్పుకున్నాం అది లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో అవునా?
So it's 2 into LB plus BH plus
HL. నేను క్లియర్ గా చెప్పాను. డ్రా చేసి cuboid will be like
2
this.
into LH into BH. 2 into LH plus BH plus LH. And
Look at
LP.
this. Now, if you just give a vertices A, B, C, D like that, and what was the formula? Let me write TSA. TSA is nothing but total surface area. What I told, total surface area 2 times of L into B plus 2 times of B into H plus 2 times of L into H. So after taking common LB plus BH plus HL, this is what total surface area. Okay, now lateral surface area. What is LSA? LSA is nothing but what? Lateral surface area, which is excluding
2H multiplied by L plus B.
excluding the top and bottom surfaces. Remaining part comes under lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is basically what? Excluding the top and bottom surfaces. Okay. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is what now here? 2 times of h into L plus B. Okay. So this is what the cuboids. Okay, now we'll talk about cube beta. Cube में क्या होता है? Look at this here. How can you draw the cube? 1 second. Look at this here. Okay, chalo, let's give the name A, B, C, D of the top one, E, F, G, H. And look at this cube mein, in cube what happens is every side will be equal. A, and this side A. Look at this here. This, and that. So length, breadth, and height. Okay. So everyone will be A only. So basically here, everyone look at this here. In cube क्या होता है? In cube, are you ready for cube? Length will be equal to breadth and will be equal to height. ठीक है? So if I take one length, look at this. If I take this length as what? Okay, 1 second. If I take this length as A, this length is also going to be A, and this length is also going to be A. ठीक है? This is my height here. This is 1 second. So front everyone will be A only. So total surface area is how much now? How many? Look at this. How many A's I
Six
can?
square.
So
6A² because there are 6 spaces.
exactly.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is going to be A here. Everyone is going to be A. ठीक है? So total how many faces I have here? Total
That's six.
6 faces I have. So you can write total surface area is equal to what? 6A square. Very simple. ठीक है? How I got this? Look at this. Everything, look at it here. This. Everything is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So can I write 2 times of A plus A? A into A. Sorry, A into A. Length into breadth, right? Plus A into A. देखो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 2, sorry, A square plus A square plus A square. This is a lot very easy actually. 3 times of A square. Where is 6A square? What is this? Total surface area. ठीक है? So now what is lateral surface area? बताओ मुझे.
4A square.
4A
Yeah,
square.
we should remove what? We should remove what बेटा? मुझे क्या चाहिए?
Only
Lateral
top
surface.
and the
Two
bottom.
sides, sir.
Top and bottom. I need to remove this. देखो ये top and इसके अलावा सब include करनी चाहिए मुझे. देखो तो क्या मिलेगा? 2. Just deduct 2. Lateral surface area 6A square में से 2A square I need to remove, which means I will get 4A square. This is what my answer. ठीक है? ठीक है? Yes or no? Very simple. Guys, here you need to just here we need to solve more questions rather than spending much time on formulas. We need to solve more questions. Next, we'll talk about right circular cylinder. We'll talk about what? राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर. सिलेंडर का मतलब देखो आपको एक चॉक पीस पता है ना, चॉक पीस देखिए, लेकिन यू कैन टेक द सिलेंडर विल बी लाइक दिस. देखो ठीक है. What is this? Height of the cylinder. Basically, guys, look at this here. Here, I'll be having two types of, what is that?
Altitude.
Yes, or height. Altitude is nothing but height only. This is radius. This is no top and bottom will be like circle. This is also R. ठीक है? All right. हाँ.
The lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH.
Yes. Wait. Look at this here. I'll be having two curve, right? Have with curve. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? If it's opened. Curved.
So it will be L into B.
Curved. 1 second. Surface area of this cylinder. क्या होता है? अगर वो ओपन होता तो क्या होता है? डायमीटर d इज इक्वल टू आर. यस. विथ if opened along the diameter, ठीक है, of the circular base, ठीक है. The circular base will be what? It will be transferred into a rectangle. Very simple. All right. Okay. See. This will be transformed rectangle. ठीक है. So look at this now. This is my height. This is my radius. ठीक है. So curved surface area. Therefore, CSA is nothing but curved surface area is going to be what? This will be transferring into like this rectangle, which has height h. Okay, and circumference. Look at this. I know that it will become what? 2 pi r into h. So covered surface area of the cylinder and with the radius r and with the height h. This will be 2 pi r. ठीक है. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा इधर?
So it's 2 pi r plus
2
pi.
r into h. 2 times of
Yes. H.
2 pi into radius into height.
Height.
So 2 pi rh. This is the formula. Guys, look at this now. हाँ, this is my curved surface area. अगर मैंने पूछा total surface area, what is TSA?
So here, if it is total surface area, 2 pi r into h plus r.
Look at this here. एक मिनट, क्या हो रहा है इधर? एक total surface.
So sir, if it has varying diameter, then how do we do it?
Sorry.
Sir,
How the
cylinder
diameter?
has varying
अब वो
diameter.
नहीं डायमीटर नहीं वेरी कर रहा है, ऊपर एंड नीचे दोनों सेम ही है ना. ऐसे नहीं होएगा, वो ऐसे नहीं होता है. ठीक है. It is whatever the circle you have on the top, same circle will be in the denominator. ठीक है.
So
the
you're
question
making
is,
a cylinder.
if the bottom or the top circle is larger than the other one, then it's not a cylinder.
No, how come? No. ऐसे नहीं हो
So then how is glass a cylinder?
Sorry.
So then how is the steel glasses which we drink in a cylinder, considered a cylinder?
Who that is a cone shape you have. You will be having this like little cone shape, right? Your glass will be.
but it has flat, right, on both sides.
Yeah, look at this here. You are saying that ऐसा मेरा ग्लास ऐसा होगा तो यू आर सेइंग ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो इधर हाँ ऐसा भी हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. ऊपर नीचे क्या ना खुला होना चाहिए. ठीक है, खुला होना चाहिए. आपको मैंने प्रूफ करके बताता हूँ, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Look at this. What is the formula? 2 pi RH, right? Guys, you can take that, what we call that. आपके पास
So you're making a cylinder into a rectangle, right?
yes. देखो look at this here. हाँ इसका वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? आपको वॉल्यूम पाई आर स्क्वायर एच वॉल्यूम कैसा आता है एक मिनट हम लोग देखेंगे. अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है?
So for volume, we can, so like concentrical surfaces.
Basically for prove this, like you need to know differentiation part, but without differentiation, like we can prove I would say let us say that ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. पीयूष you said right, the glass can be still at ऊपर नीचे diagram, like diameter can be varied actually. It is not
Yes, sir.
that. Yeah, it is not that, then it need to be same. देखो मैंने बताऊंगा आपको. एक ग्लास ले लो भाई, राइट सर्कुलर से देखो. We are talking about curved surface area because कुछ भी ऐसा ले लो. अरे यार ये क्या है? I have to look at this. Guys, look at how many surfaces I have here. 1, 2, and this is the third one. Okay, it is made up of like circles, isn't it? It is made up of circles. All circles combinedly. Look at this here. All the circles combinedly, it frames a
Cube.
cylinder,
Cylinder, sir.
isn't it? हाँ देखो अभी देखो. This is what I am saying, the curved surface area. We talk about curved surface area, right? Let us talk about what is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Let's say that. Look at this. Let me erase this. Look at this. Let me. Guys, look at this here. If I talk about, if I talk about this one, this is my what radius, beta. If I talk about what is this? ये क्या होता है मेरा height? तो ये center से from this center to this center will be what my height?
Height.
If
So
I,
pi r square into height.
yes, देखो. Now if I just look at this here, guys, if I just cut the cylinder from इधर से cut कर रहा हूँ. If I cut and open it, what will happen? Imagine, cut and open it. इसको कट करके ओपन करेंगे तो इमेजिन करो क्या मिलेगा मुझे. How it will look like? आपको उसको कट करके
Sir,
cut
it'll look like a rectangle with
It
two
will look like a
circles.
rectangle.
look at this. ऐसा. Let me write some rough diagram. It looks something like this.
Sir, but isn't this how you calculate the volume of a prism?
Yeah. One second. Let me finish. Then you. हाँ देखो. Yeah, देखो ये क्या होगा? ऐसा दिखेगा somewhat. Isn't it? Yes or no? Am I right? उसको कट करेंगे तो ऐसा दिखेगा थोड़ा सा. Like guys, I'm perfectly. That is not like accurate diagram. हाँ, somewhat. Look at this. Look at this here. हाँ, how it is? If I just like it is somewhat curved, right? इसको मैंने थोड़ा क्या करना ऐसा क्या बोलता है? I just just folded that. If I just make it straight, what will happen? If I just make it straight, what happen? Rectangle तो बन जाएगा. ध्यान से सुनो. आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Guys, are you
Yes,
able to
sir.
understand? Imagine, are you able to imagine here? थोड़ा imagine
Yes,
करके
sir.
देखो. Yes sir, no common sense देखो. हाई सब देखे guys. ठीक है? This will be converting as. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Height. This is height of the open cylinder. From this, if you look at, what is this? What is this? What is this blue color part? What is this blue color?
Circumference.
Circumference of whom? Circle.
Circumference of the top circle.
Circle. देखो. Look at this. After that, it will what happens? बेटा ध्यान से सुनो इधर. ये जो circumference of circle है ना, वो क्या बन रहा है इधर? What's happening here?
So it becoming the length.
Very good. It is becoming the length of whom? Rectangle. देखो ध्यान से ये सुनना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लुक एट दिस हियर. ये क्या बन रहा है इधर को? लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. ठीक है? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? दैट सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द सर्किल इज बिकेम एज अ लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. दिस इज विल बी सेम हाइट. द सेम हाइट विल बी, look at this here. Guys, look at this here. The same height becomes what? Breadth of the rectangle. The same height, isn't it? This is length and
Yes,
breadth.
sir.
Yes or no? हाँ, देखो ध्यान से सुनो. Now look at this here. Look at this. Whatever the area, whatever we have here, this height became what? Breadth of the rectangle. This curved surface area I have, right?
Yes, sir.
This curved surface area of the cylinder became what? Area of the rectangle. As simple as that.
Yes,
आपको
sir.
समझ
Where
में आ रहा है?
length is equal to 2 pi r and
Exactly.
breadth is equal to
हाँ,
3.
yes, you're right.
Yes, sir.
Exact. But everyone, I'm just going with a slow. Let us understanding is very important here. कितना fast नहीं कितना fast जा रहा है वो नहीं है important. कितना समझ में आ रहा है. Imagine कैसा कर रहा है. I'm giving you much space to imagine the diagram. ठीक है? Imagine करो थोड़ा. ठीक है? ये curved surface area of the cylinder becoming what? Area of the rectangle. अब देखो. Look at this. Look at this. आपको एक मिनट. What is the area of the rectangle? I know that. Area of the rectangle is
L
what?
into B.
Length into breadth. ये लंबाई कितना है? ये लंबाई means length 2 pi r. I mean circumference of 2 pi r. And ये breadth how much? Breadth is equal to height here.
Yes, sir.
2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. This is how we can prove that. Any doubt here in proving? As we
Good
told
answer.
that it can be the whatever you told, diameter can vary, no problem. Still it can be a. Still it can be a. What is that?
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
But
So-
sir, then the formulas would change a bit, right?
हाँ. Look at this here.
So it's
Curved,
Sir,
it's
volume
curved.
of cylinder is pi r cube, right?
curved surface. Look at this. Two curved surface area of the cylinder. ठीक है?
So curved surface area is where like the sides are not counted, right?
Sorry.
So curved surface area is where the sides are not counted, right?
So see, ये side नहीं count कर रहा है इधर. क्या count कर रहा है इधर? Circle वाला. ऊपर circle है ना? That is what becoming length here, isn't it? I mean circumference of the circle is becoming length, and this height whatever is there, that is becoming height here.
Breadth.
Breadth, which means हाँ.
So in total surface area, the entire cylinder will be counted.
Sorry.
So in total surface area, the entire cylinder will be
Yes.
counted.
Total service. Total means what? Total everything you need to count. देखो आप ध्यान से सुनो. लेटरल सरफेस एरिया मतलब टॉप एंड बॉटम. एक्सक्लूड टॉप एंड बॉटम. टोटल मतलब एवरीथिंग. ठीक है? कर्व्ड मतलब क्या होता है? ये जो कर्व्ड है ना, दिस वन. I just curved surface area. If I open that, it became a rectangle. As per that, I calculated curved surface area of the cylinder. ध्यान से सुनो, एक मिनट, let me give time. No, let me write here something. 2 pi RH is what curved surface area is. हाँ. Now, total surface area.
Sir, 2 pi RH plus pi R square.
2 pi r, देखो बेटा ध्यान से सुनो, इधर
No,
डायग्राम से बोलो, डायग्राम से everyone tell me guys, from diagram
pi r.
everyone.
2 pi RH plus 2 into pi
Sir,
R
2
square.
pi R into R
देखो
R plus
बेटा
H.
टोटल सरफेस
So
एरिया क्या
it's
होता है,
2.
देखो
So it's 2 pi r and h plus r, sir.
या
2
देखो
pi R
वही
into R plus
वही
H,
वही
sir.
देखो देखो ध्यान से सुनो, इधर इधर क्या होता है, देखो I just took only, we just calculated curved surface area, this part we calculated, isn't it? हाँ.
Yes,
When
sir.
you calculate total surface area बेटा क्या होता है, उसका curved surface area along with ये ऊपर वाले दो है ना,
Sir,
ये
it
भी
will be
calculate.
pi R 2 pi R square, right?
हाँ, एरिया ऑफ दैट सर्किल.
So it will be 2 pi R square plus
हाँ.
2 pi R H, sir.
So
देखो एक मिनट, अरे यार लेट मी राइट हियर, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, ये दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट एरिया, दिस इज माय सेकंड एरिया, ठीक है.
a1 plus a2.
हाँ देखो, ठीक है. हाँ, नाउ लुक एट सर, a1 plus a2, ठीक है. टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज नथिंग बट व्हाट हियर, कर्व्ड सरफेस
2
एरिया. व्हाट आई गॉट बेटा, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया 2 pi r.
pi r h.
What
sir.
is area of the
2 pi
first circle? Pi
Pi R
r
square.
square plus
Pi r
pi r
pi
square.
r square.
टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है अभी, 2 pi RH plus
2 pi R
2
square,
pi
sir.
r square.
pi r square. अभी इससे मैंने क्या कॉमन, दिस इज माय फार्मूला एक्चुअली, दिस इज माय
Sir, 2
फार्मूला,
pi R we
एंड
can take it as common.
दिस आल्सो कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, इसको इसमें 2 pi कॉमन ले लो बेटा, 2 pi
हाँ,
r
sir.
कॉमन
So
ले
2
सकते हैं,
pi R
2 pi r
into
common,
R
R
plus
plus
H.
h
Yes,
plus
h plus r, sir.
H plus
this is
R.
how we can derive the formula, this is how we can get it very simply. ठीक है बेटा, समझ में आया आपको, how many of you
Yes, sir.
understood?
Understood.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
एक मिनट guys.
I understood, sir.
Yeah, my pen is like, not writing properly. Actually, if I put so, it is like blinking. 1 second. क्या कर रहा है यार ये? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I talk about cylinder, देखो मैंने, if I talk about cylinder, that can be a cylinder. What is your name? Piyush. If I talk about cylinder, the glass can be that. Now, if I talk about right, मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको, right circular cylinder क्या होता है? Right circular cylinder is a cylinder that has what? Closed circular surface having two parallel bases. ठीक है? Two parallel bases on the both ends of that particular cylinder. ठीक है? And whatever we have that, whatever the whatever the things we have, that will be perpendicular to its base actually, which means like base, ये base होता है ना, ये base होता है ना, ये क्या होता है, height, ये height perpendicular के base, height will be perpendicular to that base. ठीक है. So मैंने, if I write guys, right circular cylinder, आपको मैंने समझा रहा हूँ right cylinder क्या होता है, right circular cylinder. देखो ये क्या होता है, let me write this. It is a cylinder. ठीक है. It is a cylinder that has guys, very important, now you are learning, right? It will be helpful for 10th 11th 12th, जहां भी जाओ आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगा. जेई के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे भी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू गो फॉर आफ्टर 12th standard, if you write JEE, in that you will not again have, you will not be having surface areas and volumes, these triangles and all again in your 11 JEE syllabus, but circles will be having, you will be having circles. ठीक है. So and quadratic equations will be having, whatever you are learning, this chapter will be including in some other chapter while solving the problems. These are the concepts you will be using actually. So understanding these basic concepts is very important. So is a cylinder that has a closed circular surface having two parallel bases, on both the ends. देखो आपके own भाषा में, you can write in your own language, and whose elements are, I'm writing somewhat fast, perpendicular to its base. And you can call this as a right cylinder also बोल सकते हैं इसको, right circular cylinder को you can call this as a right cylinder. ठीक है, right cylinder also you can call this as. देखो इधर क्या है बेटा, see whatever the points you have, all the points in a right circular cylinder will be what, lying on that closed circular surface area. Okay, closed circular surface, it is fixed, it's a fixed distance from that straight line which is known as what, axis of the cylinder. देखो बेटा, देखो, and you have the two circular bases I have, right, the above one and the bottom one. These two will be what having, same type, same radius. Let me write here, the two, guys, these are very important. आपको two circular bases of the right circular cylinder have the same radius and are parallel to each other. ये जानना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। ठीक है, फॉर डिराइविंग द फॉर्मूला बेटा, फॉर डिराइविंग द surface area and the volume of the cylinder formula, we use what, right circular cylinder will consider actually. ठीक है, for deriving the formula we consider right circular cylinder. ठीक है, so that is what right circular. देखो आपको डायग्राम तो पता चल गया आपको, इसमें क्या होता है बेटा, देखो मैंने आपको ध्यान से, पीयूष you asked, that is the reason I'm going very deep actually. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
look at this. ये क्या क्या होता है, ये सिलेंडर होगा तो ये देखो बेटा, इसका दोनों का सेंटर, ठीक है, लाइन, ये क्या होगा, सेंटर से कुछ भी पार्ट ले लो, ये कुछ भी पार्ट ऑन द सर्किल, एनी पार्ट ऑन द सर्किल, ये क्या होगा, मेरा रेडियस हो जाएगा, एंड दिस इज व्हाट माय हाइट, ये तो कॉमन सबको पता है। ठीक है, इसमें क्या क्या पार्ट्स, व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स आई विल बी हैविंग, व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स, इसमें टॉप सर्कुलर बेस, ये टॉप सर्कुलर बेस है एक, ठीक है, ये बॉटम सर्कुलर फेस है, सर्कुलर फेस ध्यान से सुनिए नेम, ठीक है, ये कर्व्ड लेटरल, देखो इसको बोलते हैं कर्व्ड, दैट इज व्हाट वी फाउंड नाउ। ठीक है, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया आई फाउंड जस्ट फ्रॉम दिस ग्रीन कलर शेडेड पार्ट। ठीक है, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया आई जस्ट फाउंड फ्रॉम दिस ग्रीन कलर शेडेड पार्ट, एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया आई जस्ट फाउंड फ्रॉम ग्रीन प्लस दोस व्हाइट, द टॉप एंड बॉटम circular faces. ठीक है, all right.
Yes, sir.
Now, so if I talk about properties of right circular cylinder, what? Look at this. So इस पे थोड़ा lines and angle पे, so the line joining of the center of the circle is what, the axis. ठीक है, ये जो मैंने लाइन डाला है ना, पिंक वाला लाइन, डॉटेड लाइन इन बिटवीन, अंदर से मैंने एक लाइन डाला है ना, वो लाइन को क्या बोलता है, एक्सिस बोलता है। ठीक है, सो व्हेन यू रिवॉल्व बेटा, व्हेन वी रिवॉल्व लाइक व्हेन यू कट करेगा तो हमको रेक्टेंगल मिल जाएगा एज ए पार्ट ऑफ दैट। ठीक है, सो व्हेन यू कट दैट आपको रेक्टेंगल मिल जाएगा, सो फ्रॉम दैट आई जस्ट फाउंड दैट कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया for after adding the top and bottom circular base, I'll be getting what, total surface area. So basically this is what the entire thing is, entire thing about what, right circular. And if I talk about the volume, what is the volume of Any one of you, please. What do you mean by volume? What do you mean by volume? बताइए मुझे volume क्या होता है?
So volume is like
capacity of
space
filling-
occupied by an object.
Yes, the capacity of an object, basically. Capacity, right? Circular. Yes, everyone, you can tell me that whatever the definition, how, whatever, like however you can define that, you can define that, not an issue. Volume of right circular cylinder. बताइए मुझे.
So pi r square h, because pi r square for one circle and then number of circles.
Exactly. बेटा देखो ये क्या होता है. फर्स्ट इसको लिखने के लिए मुझे क्या लिखना चाहिए? एरिया ऑफ द सर्कुलर बेसिस, ऊपर और नीचे वाली का सर्कुलर बेसिस इनटू उसका हाइट. ठीक है, उसका हाइट. So area of, what's the area? Pi r square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Into height. This is
Into
my
height.
volume. This is what my volume of right circular cylinder formula. So what we have learned so far. So what is total surface area? 2 pi r into 2 pi r into 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, or this can be converted as this 2 pi r into h plus r, and curved surface area simply 2 pi r h. ठीक है. So that is what the thing actually. ठीक है. Now can we solve a problem related to this? Yes, simple question. Let me give a question. Find the volume of right circular cylinder. देखो मैंने बताऊंगा आपको. Find the volume of right circular cylinder. RC cylinder is nothing but what? Right circular cylinder. If the radius and height of the cylinder are 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively. बताओ मुझे, बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. वेरी सिंपल, फटाफट बताइए मुझे. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला ये है, रेडियस एंड हाइट गिवन. सो गिवन व्हाट? आर का वैल्यू कितना? 20 सेंटीमीटर, एंड हाइट का वैल्यू कितना?
3.17
centimeter.
20 into 30.
So pi value can be written as what, beta? Pi value is what? 22 by 7. 3.14.
So 22 by 7.
22 by 7 can be written as 3.14 if you calculate so. Into r. R is nothing but what here? 20. ठीक है, 20 मतलब r square 20 into 20 into height 30. ठीक है, किसको कैलकुलेट करो. लेट मी टेल यू द क्विक, आपको क्या करना चाहिए?
37,680.
प्लीज
So 37699.
यस, वेरी गुड. मुझे अब देखो, ध्यान से सुनिए. सो नीड नॉट टू मल्टीप्लाई 3.14 into दिस. ऐसा करेंगे तो हम लोग बहुत देर हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो इट विल बी वेरी लेट एक्चुअली. क्या करना है मुझे? 314 by 100 लिखना चाहिए मुझे. ठीक है, सो 20 into 30. सो इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करूं मैंने अभी?
Yes, like that only I did.
हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड. ऐसा करना है, लाइक दैट इफ यू हैव टू डू.
1256 into
हाँ.
30.
देखो मुझे क्या करना है अभी. 314 into 2 628. 628 into 2 how much? 628 1256. 1256 into 3. 1256 into 3 कितना मिलेगा मुझे? into 3. वो कैलकुलेट करो ना, एक जीरो ऐड कर दो बस. 18
Yes, sir.
15 16 6 7 3.
So it's equal to 37699.
3768. एक जीरो बच गए तो जीरो ऐड कर देंगे बस. ठीक है. सो वॉल्यूम है ना, सेंटीमीटर, तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Units are very important, guys. Each and everything we
Sir,
are
but
going.
can we do this in exam?
Huh?
Yes, sir. We can do it
Can
in
we do it
exam.
in our PT to PT for exams? Like, can we do it in our subjective exams like that?
I didn't get your question actually. What you are trying to say?
Like, instead of 22 by 7, can we do it like 314 by 100?
Exactly, you can do.
subjective
Nothing wrong in
exams.
that. 110% correct. 110% correct. What's wrong in that? What is wrong in that? Tell me.
So, but the value of pi
So my
is
teacher says that
not
if
count.
pi value is not given,
So, but in
You
this
have to
case
take it
also
22
22
by
by
7.
7.
By
The pi is irrational, right? You cannot
yes,
describe it in a rational form.
yes, after decimal I'll take 2 digits. If you calculate 7173s like that, after decimal I'm taking 2 decimals, I mean 2 digits. That is what I'm doing here. You can do, nothing will happen. You know, later on you will get the same answer. You mention in bracket 20 pi is equal to 22 by 7, which can be written as 3.14. So that is what, since it's like, you know, irrational, and like, you know, after decimal, let me take only 2 digits. Okay. So you can do however you are getting same answer, man. No problem. Okay. Next question. इधर बेटा देखो क्या दिया है, रेडियस. Let me write the question in a short way. Radius दिया है 5 meters and height दिया है 6.5 meters respectively. ठीक है. Find the volume and total surface area. Volume क्या होता है and मुझे देखो, let me write shortcut guys. Find volume and TSA. Make it fast. TSA of किसका, right cylinder. ठीक है, right cylinder. Hope it is clear. जल्दी से बताइए. Let's see who is going to tell me the first answer. Guys, we done with the circular concept. We are solving the question based upon that. ठीक है, फटाफट बताइए मुझे. इसमें कुछ नहीं है भाई. देखो कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वॉल्यूम. Everyone should tell me the answer. Everyone should tell me the answer. 15 members are here. 15 out of 15 members should tell that. Aditya, why don't you respond in the class? Jivika, why don't you respond in the class? Shreyan, today no halchal. श्रेयन का हलचल आज कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे.
510.25 meters.
Sorry, sir, but tomorrow.
Yes, class. Yes, you are right, Piyush. Good, Piyush. Nice, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Next, very good. That's how you need to calculate fast. प्रणव का हवा भी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. काजी तैयबा, आपका रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं मिल रहा है आजकल तो. साई रामचंद्रा, I don't know what happened to you. I don't even get a response from you. Sai Ramachandra, what is the problem, beta? Ramachandra, are you here? Ramchandra, Sai Ramchandra, are you here? Need to respond. See here, I'm just calling by taking your name, right? Then which means what? You need to respond. ठीक है. काजी, आपको
Yes,
काजी,
sir.
what is the problem? Why you are not responding to the answers? I mean questions.
Excuse me, sir. Is the answer 45.840?
What answer? Which answer? Which answer? Which one?
This question answer, sir.
I mean, what is the volume? Right? Total. Then the answer చెప్తున్నాను. Which answer you are saying?
This question, sir. Find the volume
No,
or
ma. Yes.
So-
You are saying to this only volume. You are saying the answer for
total
volume. Adla చెప్పు.
total surface area.
Wrong. తప్పు ma. You made a mistake in calculation. Check it out, please.
Sir, volume is 9,755
भाई
centimeter.
क्या बता रहे हो भाई? वॉल्यूम इतना बड़ा नहीं हो सकता है वॉल्यूम. देखो, हाँ हो सकता है, मगर दिस with this numbers, you know, it can't be that much. वॉल्यूम क्या है? pi r square h. ठीक है, तो 3.14 into 5 into 5 into 6.5. So
Sir, then it's wait,
100 into 25
900
into 65 by 10. This can be calculated as 25 ones, 25 fours. ठीक है.
Sir, it's 510, sir.
हाँ 510. yes. तो कैलकुलेट करो. 510.25 आएगा आपको. 510.25 इज राइट आंसर. बेटा कैलकुलेशन तो हम लोग ज्यादा ढेर नहीं करेंगे, प्लीज कैलकुलेट करना. ठीक है. टोटल सरफेस एरिया हाउ मच? टोटल सरफेस एरिया TSA हाउ मच? टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज नथिंग बट व्हाट बेटा? बताइए मुझे. 2 pi r into h plus r.
R.
हाँ, 2 into 3.14 into 5
6.5
into
plus
6.5 plus 5, so 11.5. ठीक है, directly I'm writing. Now 3.14 into 4, how much? 7.28. 7.28 into 11.5 into 5, how much? 55.
Sir, it's 361, sir.
361.1. Yes, you are right.
Yes, sir.
If you calculate this better, देखो 11.5 into 5, how much? 361.1. What is the meter? Here he has given in meters. को meter square or square meter. You can write simply meter square. All right. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, sir.
361.1 meter square. Why meter square? I'm talking about. Look at this here. Everything is given meters. So that is the reason. Meter square. देखो मीटर, ये तो मीटर में है, ये भी मीटर में है, तो मीटर इंटू मीटर, मीटर स्क्वायर तो हो जाएगा भैया. ठीक है? So this is how we can solve. Like I'm just what do you call that? This is how we can solve the. These are the questions based upon your what do you call this? Right circular
volume.
cylinder.
surface.
ठीक है? हाँ. आपको एक और एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा मैंने. We'll solve a question on.
Yes, sir. Cuboid.
Yes.
So cube.
Those are easy.
Q will be very easy actually.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. मैंने बताऊं, अरे हम तो ये क्वेश्चन एक ना एक एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन वी नीड टू सॉल्व, राइट? ठीक है, देखो लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ, हाइट ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड. लेंथ दिया है 5 centimeters. I'm not writing the entire question. I'm telling you 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Then total surface area is how much? TSA of cuboid. How much? Make it fast. जल्दी से बताइए मुझे. Make it fast. Who is going to be the first answer? TSA and LSA. Both you find. ठीक है? And LSA. This is what the question.
So total surface area is 94 centimeters square.
Hmm.
40 plus. Okay.
How much?
So 94 centimeters cube.
Yeah. Right. Very good.
Sir, total surface area is 94. So
LSA.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Yeah.
See, without, if you are in a subjective paper, if you are not writing the units, they'll remove the marks. They'll definitely cut the marks. So please, everyone must write that. Try to understand how the units we are writing. ठीक है? कुछ नहीं है उसमें. If multiplication, square will come. Addition, centimeter ही रहेगा. Simple. ठीक है? The length.
sir, lateral surface area is equal to 48 centimeter.
ना.
square.
48. 48.
48 centimeter square.
Bhai, is it so? I don't think so.
I mean,
1 minute, sir.
Why you made wrong? You made.
sir, it is 64 centimeters square.
हाँ, 64
Yes,
centimeters.
sir, it's 64.
64,
Yes,
right
sir.
answer. This is what the answer. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm giving this question. Everyone try solving this question at home, and I'll post a worksheet, guys. I'll give a worksheet to you all based upon surface areas and volumes. Today itself, I'll just post a worksheet, and need not to solve all the questions. So find the questions whichever is related to the concept, whichever we have covered. ठीक है? Questions find out करो. Questions को पहचानिए, which means identify the question, the concept related to cube, cuboid, surface area. ठीक है? उसके हिसाब से हम लोग क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Side of the cube, side of the.
Sir, insufficient information.
Then TSA, total surface area of the cube is what? This is what beta. This is what the today's class. I have next class. So we'll meet in the
The
next class.
total surface area is 216
Very
So
simple.
it's the lateral surface.
along with 216 centimeters square.
So for the last
Along with the
question,
volume.
Okay,
So
Sai
for the-
Ramachandra. Yes.
So
Tell
for
me.
the
Make it.
So for the last question, is it like lateral surface area is 43 centimeters square, sir?
I'm asking TSA, not LSA.
So even asked
So then
LSA,
it's-
right?
Sir,
Only TSA. Okay, you
TSA
can
is
find LSA as well.
216
You
centimeters
can find
square.
LSA as well. Okay, no problem. Calculate. See, substitute karo formula mein. That's it. Hope it is
Yes,
clear. It
sir.
is not a big thing to solve, guys. Children, everyone. It is. I hope it is clear with everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good.
It's
So
clear.
I'll post a worksheet. Everyone, please solve the problem related to the concept whichever we have covered. Okay? Whichever we have covered, please related to that. You find the problems, solve it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.